Hey everybody, I have news about something. Okay, less than 12 hours ago I posted a news update about the channel. On that I included that... Whoops. On that I included that I was launching a Give, Send, Go campaign. Well, on the campaign page, I listed one of the things that I was wanting to get is a Serger sewing machine. I didn't know this, but apparently I have a local viewer. They send me a message this morning. Kitty. They send me a message this morning asking if the Serger from Walmart would work for my purposes. And I told them that's the one I was intending to buy. So they said, hey, meet me at Walmart after church. So let's do an unboxing. And Eddie, thank you for the help. Alright, so I've got two black and a white thread for the Serger. I've got a project coming up that I know I'm going to need some yellow thread for, so we got that. We got a pair of limited edition color scissors. Information pack, pedal, accessory drawer, maybe? Cover. There we go. Go there. Okay, we got some brushes, some different feet, some tweezers, some lubricant. DVD, warranty, and manual. Alright, well, I'm going to work on familiarizing myself with this manual. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can check out when I put this thing to use. Once again, thank you, Eddie, for helping me get the Serger. And to all the viewers, we'll see you next time.